And welcome back to Iraqi Dinar News, the go-to platform for breaking financial updates that impact you directly. Today's headline marks a pivotal turning point in the history of global currencies. After 2 decades of speculation, anticipation, and doubt, the Iraqi dinar is officially revaluing on June 23, 2025. Yes, you heard that right. After 20 years, the long-awaited shift is no longer a theory, but a confirmed event. Whether you've held on since the early 2000s or joined this journey recently, this could be the moment that changes everything. Stay tuned as we break down what the revaluation means, how it's happening, and what steps you should take to be ready. Let's start with the core question: what is a revaluation? In simple terms, it's when a country's central bank raises the value of its national currency compared to others. In Iraq's case, the dinar is stepping into a stronger financial role internationally. After years of being considered undervalued, the Central Bank of Iraq has set the wheels in motion to officially increase the exchange rate starting on June 23, 2025. This isn't just a shift in numbers. It reflects years of economic and political restructuring. The dinar's rise is a symbol of Iraq's growing confidence and credibility on the world stage, and for IQD holders, it could lead to life-changing gains. The road to this revaluation has been anything but easy. Following the fall of Saddam Hussein in 2003 and the years of unrest that followed, the dinar saw its value plummet. Investors around the world believed the currency would eventually rebound, but for many that wait became a test of faith. Some gave up, others doubled down. What kept the hope alive was Iraq's unmatched oil reserves, growing geopolitical influence, and slow but steady banking reforms. These weren't just optimistic signs. They were real, tangible indicators of an economy working its way back to global relevance. So what exactly happens on June 23rd? According to reports, Iraq's central bank will reset the dinar's value, adjusting its official exchange rate to a significantly higher level. While exact numbers are still being closely guarded by officials, early estimates suggest the increase will be substantial enough to energize the investor community and draw in global attention. Financial institutions are already preparing for the shift, updating systems, training staff, and bracing for an influx of exchange requests. If you hold IQD, this is the time to stay alert to your bank's communications and official policy updates. Why now? Over the past few years, Iraq has implemented key structural reforms. Cash-based government operations are being phased out, and over 80% of transactions are now processed through digital platforms. This reduction in physical currency use has helped the government monitor spending, reduce fraud, and stabilize prices. Meanwhile, oil exports are surging and security across the country has improved considerably. All these elements set the stage for Iraq's long-anticipated financial shift, and now the conditions are finally aligned to make it happen. For individual investors, the implications are profound. Depending on the amount of IQD you're holding and the final conversion rate, the financial upside could be dramatic. But this isn't just about personal gain. Iraq's revaluation is expected to bring in a wave of international investment, creating jobs, expanding infrastructure, and elevating the standard of living across the country. For global investors, this opens new opportunities in trade, construction, energy, and finance. And for the people of Iraq, it may mean better wages, stronger services, and more access to formal banking. The worldwide IQD community, from Facebook groups to Telegram chats, YouTube channels to Reddit forums, has kept this discussion alive for years. They've tracked policy moves, analyzed rate forecasts, and debated rumors. Today, all that persistence is paying off. But even as we celebrate, it's vital to remain realistic. Currency revaluations, while exciting, bring volatility. After June 23rd, the market could react quickly and unevenly. Some holders may see immediate changes. Others may wait longer for full conversion options or favorable banking access. That's why it's more important than ever to move with caution and accurate information. As we continue to track this historic development, Let's talk about what IQD holders should realistically expect after June 23rd. While the revaluation is confirmed, the currency market may experience short-term turbulence. Exchange rates could fluctuate depending on demand, bank policy, and international reactions. Some individuals may find themselves able to convert immediately, while others may face longer wait times or stricter verification requirements. It's essential to keep calm, avoid rushed decisions, and stay updated through credible sources. Scammers and misinformation will undoubtedly surface. Don't fall for wild claims or instant cash-out promises. Stick with your trusted exchange institutions and always verify details before taking any financial action. One major driver of Iraq's economic comeback is its oil industry. Iraq remains one of the top oil producers globally, and that position is now being reinforced by steady export numbers and international trade agreements. The global energy market, while volatile at times, has remained relatively stable in recent months due to cooperation between major oil-producing countries. If this trend continues, Iraq's economic base will only grow stronger, helping to sustain and even boost the value of the dinar in the long run. But it's not just oil. Iraq has begun building stronger ties with countries like China, Turkey, and key Gulf states. These relationships are creating a reliable flow of trade and investment that further supports the dinar's value. The nation's banking sector has also opened up to technological upgrades, allowing smoother international transactions and creating the infrastructure necessary to support a global currency. Iraq is no longer seen solely as a post-war economy. It's emerging as a strategic player in the Middle East's financial landscape. Geopolitics still plays a crucial role. Iraq is strategically positioned between two major influencers, the United States and Iran. In recent months, diplomatic dialogue between Washington and Tehran has shown signs of improvement. While tensions remain, Iraq's ability to maintain working relations with both powers has helped preserve a stable environment. That stability is absolutely necessary for any sustained financial growth. If Iraq can continue navigating this delicate balancing act, the dinar will likely continue to benefit from a stable regional foundation. Now, let's talk to the newcomers. If you've just joined the IQD community, you're arriving at a very important moment, but it's also a time for caution and learning. Don't let the hype drive your decisions. Take time to understand how currency markets operate, how revaluations unfold, and what your actual risk exposure looks like. Long-term investors know this isn't just about grabbing a quick profit. It's about managing wealth with intention. Consider diversifying your earnings. While the dinar has massive potential, pairing your strategy with other assets like gold, property, or stocks can offer more protection against volatility. For Iraq itself, this revaluation could spark a massive transformation. With more international confidence and a stronger currency, the country is poised to attract infrastructure funding, rebuild cities, and raise quality of life for its citizens. Financial experts suggest that if Iraq's current reform momentum continues, the dinar may see continued growth over the next 5 to 10 years, attracting more foreign direct investment and raising the nation's profile as a major economic hub in the Middle East. As we reflect on June 23rd, this isn't just about currency. It's about perseverance. For 20 years, dinar holders have waited. They've endured cycles of speculation, conflicting news, and skepticism, and now that endurance is being rewarded. This moment belongs to everyone who never lost faith in Iraq's future. Whether you've already seen gains or are still holding out for more, your role in this journey is significant. We encourage you to share your story in the comments, when you started, what you've learned, and where you plan to go from here. Thank you for being part of the Iraqi Dinar News community. Your continued support, insight, and engagement have helped make this platform a trusted source during uncertain times. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss critical updates on revaluations, rate changes, and regional economic shifts. The future is bright and we'll be right here covering every step. This is only the beginning. Let me know if you'd like a YouTube SEO title, video description, hashtags, or thumbnail prompt based on this script.